Hey, it's Seth from Gerber, and this is the ultimate fixed blade. When you're braving the outdoors, it's about working smarter, not harder. That sentiment is reflected in the knowledge you possess, but also the gear you bring along. The ultimate fixed blade is designed to meet your basic survival needs: food, shelter, and fire. This multi-purpose knife corrals multiple tools into one smart design. The full Tang blade has a partially serrated edge to handle a multitude of tasks and materials. Warmth isn't an issue, with a fire-striking edge that pairs with the included ferrocerium rod. Long-haul days call for comfort as well as function. A rubber overmold handle reduces hot spots, lashing holes keep the knife secure, and an emergency whistle could save the day. The sheath not only houses the knife safely, it also includes an integrated sharpener for on-the-go touch-ups. The ferrocerium rod snaps into the sheath until called into action. Take control of your reality in the wild with a tool that is optimized for your survival. It's chock full of features that you can rely on when challenges arise. The ultimate fixed blade isn't just a knife. It's a multifunctional tool that every outdoorsman should keep on hand. Like all Gerber products, the ultimate fixed blade is backed by the Gerber guarantee.
This is the Schrade SCH-112 Full Tang Fixed Blade Knife. The SCH-112 is a tactical multi-purpose self-defense tool. At just over 8 ounces, the SCH-112 is forged from a solid slab of 8CR13 Movi high-carbon stainless steel, making it every bit as tough as it looks. The SCH-112 features a 5.5-inch carambit-style dual-edge blade that is sharp right out of the box. Grasp the TPE handle firmly and utilize the finger ring for a secure grip with your index finger, or with your pinky for a reverse grip. The finger ring locks the fingers into a comfortable position that is safely behind the razor-sharp dual edges of the SCH-112, while also serving as a powerful pummeling tool. The SCH-112 arrives ready for action in its very own thermoplastic belt sheath that supports multiple carrying options, while keeping the blade safely and discreetly tucked away until the need for deployment arises. To deploy, simply slide your pinky finger into the finger hole, grasp the handle and pull straight in one swift motion, revealing the intimidating blade of the SCH-112. Carry the SCH-112 on the belt, as a neck knife, or even attach it to a tactical harness. Ready to serve, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCH-112 Full Tang Fixed Blade Knife. Find the SCH-112 online or at your favorite local retailer. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel on YouTube, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter and Instagram for news, tips, and new product releases. To learn more about our great knives and gear, visit Schrade.com.
What's going on, guys? Chad here with Green Light Shooting. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're talking about a tactical vest. So it is this guy right here, and this is the tactical vest made by GLORYFIRE. And the thing's pretty dope, man. I got to admit, I've gotten my hands on a lot of vests over the years, and this one absolutely lives up to the standard. To start out with, this thing is super high quality. It is made from 1000D fabric, high tensile strength thread. You can kind of like look through the seams usually and tell if it's something that's going to hold up over time. And all these seams seem super, super clean. The inside is like a really nice 3D mesh lining. I'm a big fan of that because if you've ever worn one of these for an extended period of time, you know how hot and sweaty it can get under these. Like, you got a lot of weight in there, especially if you've got armor plates and things. And man, it can just be a lot. So the fact that this is all like a really breathable 3D mesh liner is great. It keeps everything really breathable. It allows the air to circulate, and you can really feel it while wearing this. It's also super comfy. Probably my favorite part about this vest is the rapid open latches. So traditionally, I'm used to vests that like just have like Velcro across the waist, Velcro up top. And I mean, they're fine, whatever, it's what you're used to, but these guys have kind of pushed the bar a little bit, and they've made some really cool advancements. So these are rapid open latches. They've got 2 on the sides of the waist, as well as 2 on your shoulders. It's incredibly fast to take off, to put on, but the best part about it is not only that it's super fast and easy to put on and off, but also that it keeps the size the same. If you can imagine with like a traditional vest, like you have the Velcro across the waist, you lift it up over your head, whatever, when you go to put it back on, it's not going to ever fit you the exact same twice. So what I love about this is you get it set up perfectly how you want to hug your waist, to hug your shoulders, and then when you take it off with those quick release latches, the Velcro stays the same. Nothing changes. So when you put it back on, you just attach the latches and boom, it fits like a glove every single time. So that's honestly my favorite thing. It's something I've never seen. They really went the extra mile here. They've got like a little pull tab that makes it super easy and convenient to like access that latch. So in my mind, those latches are what sets this vest heads and shoulders above the competition. Now, what would a vest be without tons of storage? This thing absolutely has you covered. I mean, we've got MOLLE all over. You can throw on all sorts of different accessories. It comes ready to roll with a bunch of different patches. You've got like, I don't know, you can set it up however you want, right? But when I've set it up, I've got like 6 pistol mags in here. I've got 2 AR mags, and then I've got 2 kind of like dump pouches. You can put maps in there. You can put badges. You can put spent brass. You can do whatever you want, but it's got 2 really easy to access, just kind of big empty pouches for whatever you want. So with all that storage, you're super solid, ready to go. And then again, you've got MOLLE all over this thing. So if you want to sort of arrange it differently, it's all modular. You can throw lights on, you can throw whatever it is that you find yourself using most. This thing will be able to accommodate that setup for you. The other thing is I wanted to make sure it'll actually hold armor and not like rip or anything like that. So I threw some level 4 ceramic armor in the front and back with absolutely no problems. And not only did it hold it well, but it was easy to put in and out. There's a lot of vests that make it difficult and it's just kind of awkward to get the armor in and out. This one I found it very, very easy and very, very secure. It held it in place very well. I wasn't worried whatsoever. You know, if I was running, if I was jogging, if I was doing whatever, I'd have no issues thinking about if that armor was secure or not. So I love that about this vest. So this vest is one size fits most, which makes it very, very easy. You know, if you need to hand it off and someone else needs to use it for a day or whatever, it's no big deal. This thing will accommodate size, like waist sizes from size 32 up to size 52. So tons of range there. We're talking about like a size small to like probably a 3XL. So this thing can really adjust to whoever's wearing it. And again, moving all those pouches, whatever you need, it can adjust both in modularity in terms of carrying things as well as who it's fitting. And then lastly, GLORYFIRE is super proud of this vest. They stand behind it. There is a 1-year warranty they're throwing on this thing. So, I mean, across the board, you know, the latches, obviously I said are my favorite. The 3D mesh lining, keeping everything breathable. Everything is super adjustable. Tons and tons of modularity and storage options. And right now, this thing is $75 on Amazon. It's a pretty hard deal to beat. You know, 1000D fabric, really, really high quality. I've got no complaints with this thing. So anyways, that is my review on this GLORYFIRE tactical vest. I think they did a fantastic job. If you're interested, go pick one up. Tell them Greenlight Shooting sent you. And that's all I've got for you guys today. So if you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up button, and I will see you next time on Greenlight Shooting. Peace out.